In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix footer smaller in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to clean up the look of your website and give it a more streamlined appearance, adjusting the size of the footer can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. If you're already familiar with Wix, you know that this is where you can easily manage various aspects of your website. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, you'll need to click on Design Site. This action will take you to the area where you can modify and personalize the layout and design of your site. Now, we're heading over to the Wix website editor. This is the creative space where you'll access all the tools necessary to customize your website to fit your vision. It's a robust and intuitive platform that gives you great control over your site's aesthetics. Once you're in the editor, the next thing you need to do is select the footer. It's generally located at the bottom of your website page, and when you click on it, you'll notice that a double-headed arrow becomes visible along the lower section of the footer. This arrow is key to resizing the footer, and it provides a visual cue that the footer can be adjusted. With this double-headed arrow in view, what you'll do next is click on it and then drag it upwards. As you do this, you'll see the footer becoming smaller. The beauty of this action is that it's incredibly straightforward, and it lets you easily control the thickness of the footer to match your ideal site design. Take your time with this to ensure the dimensions meet your expectations. After you've adjusted the footer to your liking, it's important to check how it looks before committing to any changes. Click on Preview to view the changes in action on your site. This step ensures that everything looks as it should and functions well.